Today, the teacher is going to teach us how to make user-friendly programs.
Yes, I'm really excited about it.
I have my own doubt. How can a computer interact with us?
Just like Gogu talks to us,
But Gogu is a robot.
a robot is also a form of a computer.
Don't fight. The teacher is coming. She'll explain everything. Just wait a bit.
Okay.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning, teacher. Teacher, we're excited to know how computers communicate with humans.
Yes. Today, we're going to learn how to set an interface between the user and the computer. The function input helps us to take input from the user. The word input means put in the computer. When input executes, you'll notice the cursor blinking. This means the computer is waiting for a user response.
But how will the user know what the computer is waiting for?
Good question, Eve. Input allows us to add an alert message with it. Let's see how it works. Here, I entered the name Eve and pressed the Enter key.
Where is the name stored?
Very good question. Right now, the data is simply accepted, but not stored in a specific variable. Let me modify the code. Now, your input is stored in the variable nm.
Can we use NM in the next steps of the program?
Yes, let's try printing the value of nm.
What if I want to enter my name?
Just rerun the program. When the computer displays the alert message, enter your name.
Wow, this is really interesting. Can we also accept other data?
Yes, absolutely. I have a task for you all. Write a code that will accept the user's name, the name of the city where they live, and the name of their school. Then, display these values on the screen with proper titles.
Yes,
teacher, we'll do it.
Great, all the best. See you next time.
Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Aadi, Kaylin, and Eve learned how to make programs more interactive by using Python's input function. Here's what you learned. How to use input to get information from the user. How to store that input in variables. How to use those variables in the program to make it more dynamic. Now it's your turn. Try creating a program that takes input from the user and displays it on the screen. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.